All right, Theo, who's this from?
I don't know.
This is from Grandma.
Oh, Grandma.
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thanks, Grandma.
Can you look at the camera when you say that?
Thank you, Grandma.
Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Oh no, look it.
Oh, just pull. Pull really hard. It'll come out. You trying to get the sticker off?
Yes. Trying to.
Trying to?
Yes.
I can help you with that in a bit. Oop, you got it off. Okay.
I got it.
You got it?
Yes, I got it.
Now you have the ribbon. Is that your favorite part of the box, is the ribbon?
Can I take this off, please?
Okay, I'll help you take it off. Okay.
Can you please help me?
Try this end. Rip it. Good job.
Ha! Mini?
I'm getting nervous, but you're so far away. Push you back in. Okay. You got a box? You got to the box now.
Open the box.
Now open the box.
How? What way? This way? Is it? Whoa.
What's in there? What's in there?
I don't know.
No, what's in there?
I don't know.
Whoa. Let's open this over here. And then what's this? Ooh.
Whoa! Cool! Lightsaber!
Cool, lightsaber. Okay. And then what else is in there? You got a sweatshirt. Cool. Oh, and what's this? Chocolates.
I want some chocolates on the road.
Okay, can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Can you say I love you, Grandma?
I love you, Grandma. Can I please open this, please?
Of course. After dinner.
Captain America and Star Wars.
Mm-hmm.
And Gun Shooter. I like the Gun Shooter best. I can't open the chocolates.
In a bit.